Hi, my name is Blair Cockfield. I'm a volunteer here at the Ontario Regiment Museum, and this is the M113.5 Lynx engine pull project. So the reason we're doing this project in the engine pull is there's a bad seal in the transmission right about here. Just behind, it was behind the torque converter that went on right here that we pulled off 2 weeks ago, and that seal is causing all the fluid that's sucked up into the transmission to dump out when you stop the engine after it's been running a while. So this power pack is a 6V53 non-turbo, so without the T. You have the main engine with the block, heads, everything right here. You have the transfer case right here, and then you have the Allison TX 100-1 transmission that we pulled off here. And the whole power pack is fine. There's nothing wrong with the actual engine other than cleaning and maintenance. We're not really going to be touching it. Same with the transfer case. As you can see, all the pink tape, we've pulled all our lines off, pulled our air intake off, and all we've really done is disconnected the transmission and taped everything off so no contaminants get in it. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be pulling this ring gear off and looking at the seal and solving the problem, hopefully replacing it in the next week or two, and then we can put the transmission back on the power pack and drop it back in the engine. If you want to see more of this project that we'll be covering over the next few weeks, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Ontario Regiment Museum on Facebook and at OnTAR Museum on Instagram, or check the links below.